One of the important settings that we need to check on our file too is the bearing or the direction. So if I try to add a direction to my alignment here, so my alignment starting from this point to that point, I would assume it's in the second quadrant, so it should be more than 90 degree, less than 180 degrees. So if I will add a label to show me the direction or the bearing of my alignment here, this is one of the useful tools of the contextual ribbon. So if I click on this alignment, straight away it will give me all the options that I may need for this object that I just selected, which is the alignment. One of those options is add labels. So if I'll ask to add a label for a segment, for a single segment, which is a segment refers to this tangent, for example, or the curve, depends on what segment I'll select. So I'll just add a single segment label. I'll ask for this segment here, and straight away Civil 3D will know this segment I can label it with a bearing and a distance because it's a horizontal alignment. One of the useful labels for that segment is the bearing and the distance. So the distance is 393 meters, 0.94. That's great. But if I look at the bearing arrangement or format, it's showing 56 degrees, 42 minutes and 42 seconds. This is not really what we wanted because we assumed that our alignment, it's in the second quarter. So that means it should be more than 90 degrees. As you can see, this is our 0. This is 90 degrees. This is 180 degrees. It should be more than 90, less than 180. What's the current format saying? Saying from south, take 56 degrees and 42 minutes and 42 seconds to east, and you should find your direction. So this starting point from south and giving me a certain angle of 56 degrees, almost about 56 degrees, and that is my alignment, which is right, but that's not the format that we usually work with. So how can we change this format? So if I click my alignment here, so I need to change the pairing format for my horizontal alignment. As we agreed, that's the main use of the setting tabs. The setting tab will allow me to control all the settings for all the components. So if I go to the alignments, what options do I have here? Alignment style, design, check label style. That's what we're looking for. And table style. We don't have any tables yet. So if I go to the alignment label styles, and I'm looking for the current segment that I'm looking for lines. So if I look at the line, this is the settings for bearing and distance. It's showing me bearing over distance. This is the current settings. So I am within the setting tab, alignment label style, the label style for the line component. So if I right click on it, edit, this will give me the window to control this label. If I check here, so that's for the general information about the table. This is for the text within the table. The text will give me the first option for the content of this text. If I click on this button here, showing me so what part of your text you want to change. I want to check, first of all, I have to select the pairing from the previous. Before I click on this button, I have to check the pairing because this is the tangent direction. This is the component I need to change. So if I go to the pairing and under the text, I'll click on this button here to give me the options. So it's asking me, what do you want to put properties for this text here? So I'll choose the tangent direction. That's what we're trying to choose. And here it's giving me the option of the measurement type of pairing. Our measurement type should be the north azimuth. In other words, the north is our base for our angles. Very important here, guys. If you click OK and exit here, nothing will change because this is the current setting here and it's still related to what we had before. So if I click on it, again, went back to pairing. So what I need to do, first of all, delete this and then go here, change to north azimuth. The rest of it, it's all good, no problems. And very important, before you exit, press add, otherwise you don't have any information to be shown there. So I'll go OK and apply, OK, and there we go. Our angle changed to what we need it for. So it's now 123 degrees, 17 minutes and 17 seconds. That makes sense because we are expecting our angle to be more than 90, less than 180 degrees. So it's measuring from the north 123 degrees all the way. If I draw a alignment, for example, just to illustrate that, so I've got alignment 3 in the fourth quarter of that, so it should be more than 270 degrees, less than 360 degree. So I'll just draw an alignment here and enter, close. If I add the direction label by pressing on the alignment, going to the contextual ribbon for the alignment, I'll go add label for the segment, for a single segment, and ask me which segment. I'll choose this one here, and this gave me exactly what we're looking for. It is 300 degrees, more than 270 degrees, less than 360 degrees, and that's what we're expecting to have. So to summarize, it's not enough for us to just change the units, what we've done at the start, and change the direction to north to fix the format of our direction labels. It's important to fix those from the setting tab.